Hello and welcome my ukulele friends. Today I'm going to share my top ukulele YouTube hacks to help make your learning journey so much better. It's actually going to help improve your whole YouTube experience. So I hope if you get value out of this, you can give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future lessons. Let's get started. Hack 2. Next is playlists. Playlists are incredibly handy because you can save various videos and come back and visit them on your own YouTube account whenever you want. This is especially handy if you get to a video that you really love but perhaps you're not quite ready to learn it, or you're practicing that video frequently. So to save your video to a playlist, hold your video in portrait mode and you'll see a little button that says save. When you click on save, you will then have a spot that says plus new playlist. If you click plus new playlist, you can title it whatever you might like it to be. So you might have lessons in progress. You then choose if you save it as private or as public or unlisted. So you'll see on my channel, if you went to my channel's homepage, there's a list up the top that says videos, playlists, community. If you click on playlist, you'll see all of my public playlists. So I'd have things like how to strum, how to fingerpick, all chunked into relevant playlists. But I also have stacks of private playlists, which might be things like cooking videos, which aren't relevant perhaps to all of you. So depending on what you want, you can make it private or not. And then to access those playlists, you click on library down the bottom and you would scroll down until you get to playlists. And from there, it'll tell you how many playlists you have saved in each video, and you just click on the playlist that you've saved. Once you open a playlist, you'll see a list of all the videos that exist inside that playlist. Once you click on a video, you'll see in order each video in that playlist. So if something's not relevant to you, you can easily just skip to the next lesson, or if you need to revisit information, just go back. I'll be releasing my next YouTube hack really soon, so if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to do that and ring the bells so you get notified when the next video is released. Once it has been released, you'll see it here in the end screen, so just click that video and keep on watching.